Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to pay with an Apple gift card on Amazon. Alright, let's begin. First, go to Amazon's website and sign in to your account. Add any item you want to purchase to your cart and proceed to checkout. Once you're on the checkout page, look under the payment section. You will see an option that says use a gift card, voucher, or promotional code. Click on that option and enter your Apple gift card code in the field provided. Make sure the code is correct, valid, and not expired. Fake or expired codes will not be accepted. Once entered, click Apply to add the balance to your Amazon account. If the gift card is valid, the amount will be deducted from your total automatically. If your gift card does not cover the full amount, you can pay the remaining balance with another payment method. You can also check your available gift card balance on the same page before placing the order. So that's basically how you can pay with an Apple gift card on Amazon. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks!